Indie pop music lovers can cheer up as singer Akriti Kakkar launched her music album titled Akriti, and things can't get better as Shankar Mahadevan has composed the music for the pop album. Akriti looked gorgeous in green and Shankar looked cool in his sunglasses. We spoke to him to find out more about the album.
खासियत एल्बम के बारे में अगर हम कहें कि ये बहुत ही म्यूज़िकल एल्बम है तो शायद लोगों को अजीब लगेगा, बट फैक्ट ये है कि ये बहुत म्यूज़िकल एल्बम है और बहुत दिनों बाद एक नॉन फिल्म एल्बम ऐसा निकला है जो म्यूज़िकली एक ऊंचे दर्जे का है, जिसकी वजह से मैं यहाँ हूँ उस एल्बम के बारे में बात करने के लिए। इस एल्बम में मैंने 2 गाने कंपोज़ किए हैं और बाकी 5 गाने आकृति ने खुद कंपोज़ किए हैं। और ये एक यंग आर्टिस्ट है जिसको हमारे जैसे जो एस्टैब्लिश्ड आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनका सपोर्ट और जिनका एक प्रोत्साहन मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अच्छे कलाकार को हमेशा एक पॉजिटिव आउटलेट मिलनी चाहिए। इसके जो गाने हैं जब आप सुनेंगे तो आप एक नॉर्मल गाने सुनने वाले इंसान हो तो वो भी अप्रिशिएट करेंगे। अगर आप बहुत ही म्यूज़िकली जानकार एक पंडित हो तो आप उसे वो भी अप्रिशिएट करेंगे। तो ये एल्बम कट्स अक्रॉस ऑल पीपल हु एंजॉय म्यूजिक।
Shankar is all praises for the album and Akriti, as she has not only sung but also composed a few tracks in the album. Now it's time to speak to Akriti Kakkar, and we asked how does she feel about Shankar composing the music for her pop album.
Biggest blessing that I could have, the biggest gift that I could have got and asked for. I think Shankar ji is such a wonderful person. It's so wonderful to be in his company. मैंने उनके साथ में काफ़ी stage shows करे हैं. So even when I'm standing backstage, I'm not doing my part on stage. There's so much I learn from him. You know, it's almost like I'm attending a music college. So it's really wonderful to have shared stage, learned so much, and then on an original album worked with such a maestro. You know, I think the composition that he's given me, Meher Mahave, on which we've shot the video and you're watching it on TV right now, is such a beautiful song. Even if it was not sung by me and it did not belong to my album, I would have gone out and I would have purchased it, whoever it would have sung.
Akriti sure is lucky. Now there are 5 music reality shows and 100 contestants try their luck. We asked Akriti if she is scared of the competition.
I'm completely okay with the kind of competition we have. In fact, luckily for the last 5 years, I've had some great songs to my net. I would obviously thank God for putting me at the right place at the right time amongst the right people, which is most important. You know, so effort hasn't really gone futile and hasn't gone waste. And right from Shankara Roy to Vishal Shekhar to Pritam Da to Himesh ji, everybody has been such wonderful support, and I can never thank all of them enough. You know, it's really difficult to get that one opportunity, and I've got one opportunity after the other. And right now when I'm doing an original album, I'm just hoping everybody supports an original song which does not have film stars in it, which does not have like crores worth of publicity backing it, but it's just good music and I'm hoping it will get its space.
That's a nice attitude, Akriti. Last, we asked the singer to croon a song just for you.
Mehrmaave, Ranjhanaave, Mehrbaave, Dholnaave, Jaan jaan ke meri jaan waliya, Maula teri khair kare.
Oh, that's lovely. And I am definitely going to grab a copy of Akriti as the album